Today I'm going to show you the best ways that you can make money online using a simple software called GoHighLevel. The ways that I'm about to show you is exactly how all of these students right here are making thousands of euros and pounds every single month with all of these methods. So first things first, what is GoHighLevel? GoHighLevel is an all-in-one marketing and sales platform that allows you to take their entire software and resell that software with your own logo on it as many times to as many businesses as you want. In today's video, I'm going to be covering the two main ways that you can make money with GoHighLevel. So method number one is the software arbitrage model. In simple terms, what software arbitrage is you're able to easily take the GoHighLevel platform, you simply just upload your own logo on it, you pretty much brand it to your own business, and you can go out and sell licenses of this software to clients around you for whatever price you want. The software helps with pretty much all of their marketing, so think about things like email marketing, SMS marketing, reputation management, where you can help these businesses bring in more positive Google reviews but completely hide and internalize any negative reviews. You got a full customer relationship manager in there so they can keep track of all of their customers. You got a social media scheduling tool, meaning they can schedule out social media posts on all of their pages like TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. This right here is how the GoHighLevel platform looks. As you can see, it has a ton of features in here. This is the main dashboard alone. There are so many features over on the left hand side here. For example, as you can see, this is the CRM. We got a full marketing platform. This is where you schedule all of those social media posts out onto TikTok and Instagram and LinkedIn and everywhere that I just mentioned. There's automations in here where you're pretty much able to automate every single process for a business. So appointment reminders, all of their emails, all of their text messages, all of their Instagram replies, pretty much everything that you can think of that needs automated for a business, GoHighLevel can do it. You also have a bunch of pre-made ready to go website templates that you can pretty much go in here, change the logo on the website to suit for your client, change the colorways, change the images, and you are good to go. There are literally thousands and thousands of website templates in here, and GoHighLevel are adding more every single week. Now, in terms of the pricing for the software arbitrage model, you usually charge anywhere from between 97 and 497 a month. It doesn't really matter if that's euros, dollars, pounds. I usually price depending on the amount of features that every single business gets, but also the type of business that they are. You know, you're not going to charge the local cafe next to you $4.97 a month because that's probably way too expensive for a small local cafe. But you're also probably not going to charge the real estate agent next to you $97 a month because you know that a real estate agent makes a lot more money than that, so you can justify charging the extra money for that. Now here's the pros and the cons of software arbitrage. So the pros, it's extremely scalable, meaning that you can take on as many clients as you want without really running into any headaches. It's pretty passive, meaning that once everything is set up for your client, there's very little work that you actually need to do for them in return. And the stickiness is extremely high because the thing is, it doesn't cost your client very much. It does so much for them. So the chances of them canceling are extremely low just because it does so much for them for such a small monthly cost. Now the cons for the software arbitrage model is there is a learning curve for your clients, so you will usually want your clients to have some sort of technical background. Nothing too major, but they'll at least need to know what an email is. And another one of the cons is it's slightly lower ticket. You know, it's on the lower end. It's between the 97 and the 497. It is lower ticket, but it just means you can take on a lot more clients with not much work for them, and the profit margins are extremely high. Now, method number two is the traditional software agency. Now, what a software agency is you're pretty much able to take the entire software platform called GoHighLevel, but on top of that, you will do something else for one of your clients. So, you know, you'll manage their social media pages, you'll run paid advertising campaigns on them through Google or Facebook or TikTok. It's pretty much the software as a base, but with an extra service on top of that. Now, the software agency pricing, it is on the higher end. It's usually starting at around 500 a month, and it can range anywhere from 500 a month to 2,000 a month, 3,000 a month, 5,000 a month. You're pretty much able to charge whatever you want depending on the value that you provide for your client. Now, the software agency pros and cons. So the pros is it's higher ticket, meaning that you're actually collecting more money. There's a potential there for commission. So if you're running a software agency and you're working with roofing companies, you got to think every single roofing contract that you generate for your roofing client is probably going to start at around 5k to 10k, 20k, whatever. In some cases, you can actually work out a commission split that you can do with your clients. So meaning that every single customer that you generate for them, you might take 10%, meaning that if they sell a roofing contract for 20k, and your commission is 10%, that's 2k that you've made just from making that deal happen. Now the cons of this is there is a much higher churn, meaning that your client might sign up for 1 month and they might cancel going into month 2 or month 3, because if you're not instantly generating the results for them, there's no ROI on there yet, and they'll most likely just cancel. Another con is there is lower profit margins, because if you're running these advertising campaigns, you most likely will need to hire some team members that might be specialized in Google Ads or specialize in Facebook ads. So simply hiring that team member just cuts into your profit margins. And that leads into con number 3, the team members to hire, so there's more money going out of pocket. So in terms of the things that you can sell within HighLevel, there is a number of different features that you can sell to a number of different industries that I recommend. Some of my favorite industries to work with are hotels and restaurants, and my main thing that I sell to those businesses is reputation management. What that is you're able to help these businesses bring in more positive Google reviews, real reviews from their customers, but you're able to hide and internalize any negative reviews. There is another video on that on my channel, and I'll flash it up on here somewhere. Another one of the features that you can sell is the CRM. So in short, a customer relationship manager is a way that your customers can keep track of all of the leads flowing in. They can keep track of all the people they're working with. They can keep track of all the potential deals coming in. The main industries that I recommend you sell this to is things like real estate agents, mortgage companies, insurance companies, pretty much any type of company that actually has a sales team, so even car dealerships. There's a bunch of other things and features that you can sell to businesses. If you want to learn more about those, then you can just check out some of the other videos on my channel. If you do want access to a completely free step-by-step course showing you exactly how to run the software arbitrage model and also the software agency model, I'm going to link a completely free step-by-step course right underneath this video. It goes into everything from the features that you need to sell to businesses, all the industries that you can work with, how to reach out to potential clients, how to sign these clients, and also how to fulfill all of the work for these clients. So like I said, click on that first link right underneath this video to get access to the completely free step-by-step course. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.